As a digital notebook, OneNote's strength is its ability to collate information from a variety of sources. So let's say, for example, I was on the internet and I was looking for information regarding caterers. And so here I've done some research and I found some caterers in Tauranga. Now, the first option I've got is I may want to print to a OneNote printer. And to do that, I would simply go Control P, or I'd simply choose whatever print option I had in whatever program I was in. And when you go to print, you choose the OneNote printer. So I'm going to go change and change to my OneNote printer, send to OneNote. I can then choose what pages I want to send to OneNote. So let's say I only choose to print one page to OneNote, and I'll go print. Eventually OneNote will actually ask me where do I want to send it to. So this is to do with caterers, so I might go to my event notebook and my brunch section and my untitled page and OK. And eventually in my brunch section, in that page, here is the printout of what I found on the internet. So OneNote is actually a printer that you can print to from any application and then choose what section, what page, and what notebook the printout goes to, which is extremely handy. I might then add a page, and I might show you now how to do a screen clipping into OneNote. So again, I could be viewing information about a particular caterer, or caterers in this case, and I think, actually, I want to screen clip just that information there. So I'll go Windows S. When I go Windows S, everything sort of goes very cloudy, very whitish, and my mouse is turned into a thin black cross, or a crosshair. So the idea now is I can drag around what I want to screen clip. So I'm going to drag around this. And this is what I want to save. It then again asks me which notebook, which page, which section would you like to save this to. And it actually remembers my most recent pick was the brunch. But I'm going to drag down, I'm going to go to my pink ribbon event, I'm going to go to the plus in front of brunch because I don't want it to go into the printout, I want it to go into the untitled page I just created. And I'll go and send it to the selected location by clicking this button. Again, it'll eventually bring up OneNote, or I might have to bring up OneNote, but there it is there. There's the screen clipping taken on the 3rd of the 10th, and there's exactly in this little container a picture of what I took from the internet. So you can print out entire pages to a OneNote printer, or you can take a little screen clipping of exactly what you're after. And then there's the situation where you may have found some information. So let's say I'm again cruising around on the internet and I want to jot down a phone number. So I want to take a quick note. In that case, I'll go Windows N to make a note. And this little window here pops up. And I'll just make a quick note that the lemongrass contact phone number is 07544 5335, and then I'll close this. So it may be that you're not sure where you're going to put the found information at this point in time. You just want to quickly note down that you've found something and you'll sort it out later. If I go to OneNote and I go to my quick notes in the lower left here, any notes that I've quickly noted down will be there. So I could actually cut that, go to Home, go to Cut, and then go to a particular notebook, a particular section, and either add a page and then paste that note. So you can print to a OneNote printer, you can screen clip, or you can do a quick note and just keep that as a quick note which you'll use later.